Yeah.
What? No.
He just gets like stunned
Like
a
what?
bit, but then he chases you for like a second.
No, those are my dad. Yo, that's my girlfriend's brother. Man, no it ain't.
Okay, he's gone.
Did he just disintegrate?
Yeah, from the light.
I'm gonna
If
throw
you shot it at
some
him,
white snowballs
no,
at him. Oh my god, oh my god.
Guys, you just need to flash it at him for a bit.
Alright guys, I'm ready to go in. I'm being brave.
Guys, we have a light. We have a light.
Sorry guys, I'm talking to my friend. Ow.
Guys, do not throw snowballs at each other.
Miracle, can you get up please? I'm talking to my sister, my little baby.
Oh my god.
Yeah, what? Don't pop that thing. Alright, come on guys.
You guys, oh my god. Let me get my snowball for defense.
Gosh, should we just run? Should we make a run for it? We're gonna make a run for it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, go!
Go!
I'm not afraid of you!
He's dead. Disintegrate them.
Get in!
God.
Let's go! We're fine, guys. We're fine. Come on.
There's something in that door. Yeah, there's definitely.
I'm gonna stay back here.
Oh,
I'm staying back here.
Guys, let's go in that. Oh, why did that door open? Why did that door open? Oh my god!
Ow! Guys, they're coming! They're coming! Uh-oh, crap. Let's make a run for it in this room. Go! Oh, crap. Alright, guys, make a run. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Guys, should I risk it? Should I risk it and run?
Should we go in the door? He opened it.
Whoa, what the heck?
Okay, guys.
There's a guy!
Okay, guys. Oh, there's a key.
A key! Yes! Guys, I got a key!
Yes, I got a key
That's so
too.
cool! Come on, guys! We got the key!
Kill it!
Kill it! Yeah!
Don't do anything!
Yeah, that's what I'm Go! Escape!
Shoot! Let's make a run.
We did it! We did it!
Okay, guys.
Let's go! Finally! We made it! We finally did it!
Guys, but what does the key do, though?
We don't know.
Guys, we need to figure
What
out
do we do with the key?
does. Let's go.
Do you remember that? Did you see that big bolt when you were skiing? What? That big bolt. Let's try that big bolt. We need to test out the big bolt.
I never
Come on.
didn't see a bolt.
Follow me.
Okay. Follow me. There's voices coming out of that key.
My favorite animal. What?
Okay, I see you. Guys,
Follow me, guys.
I'm not telling you my password. Because I'm not going to let you play my phone, because
Hold on, wait up, Purple. There's gonna be a big vault.
Come on, follow me, follow!
Okay.
Come on, guys. Is it at the very end? We're here, we're here. One, just a little bit farther. This big vault.
Oh shoot, wait, I didn't see this. Yo. Yes, it is!
Okay, guys. Get the key.
Are you gonna use your key or mine? Should we use my key?
Let's use.
No,
my
let me
key.
use mine, mine.
Guys, we have to use mine.
No, because I can't carry my key.
Guys, I did it.
What the? Oh shoot.
Guys, it's opening. It's opening.
Oh shoot.
Guys, what is happening? I think we're unlocking
What?
more. Is this more?
Will somebody hold my key? Holy, look at all these nuts.
Or just put it in your hips? Yeah, I'll hold it. I'll hold your key.
Can you stop
Alright,
thanks. There. And there. Yo, let me get all these nuts.
What happens if
Guys!
you go into that hole? Oh, yeah, you're dead if you go.
Oh shoot.
You're a dead man if you
jump.
You're dead for real if you go.
Done talking. After I'm done doing the video. Oh shoot! No,
No! Do not fall. Guys, do you think we are unlocking more? Guys, do you think we're unlocking more to the game?
Guys, I know a way how. Just bust it. Guys, I got something I might.
Oh no, I'm dead.
I'm gonna go play outside for a little bit, okay, guys? What? I gotta go
Guys, I died.
outside for a little bit with.
I'm at the start now.
Yo, what if you cross the path? Like,
I don't know. Oh, thanks. I don't know.
oh, I did it!
Okay, that's where I was and died.
Bro, I made it past.
Yeah, I made it past 3 times. Not like a math question, like 2 times. You have to do a big jump. Yeah.